In the highlands of Ethiopia, life unfolds with incredible diversity, intricately woven into the fabric of both tradition and the sweeping forces of modernization. Ethiopia, a country marked by its mosaic of cultures and languages, carries a profound history that is both its guiding strength and its developmental challenge. Known for its unique alphabets and scripture, Ethiopia is home to the oldest Christian tradition in sub-Saharan Africa, with the Ethiopian Orthodox Church standing as a significant pillar in cultural and societal norms. The hustle and bustle of Addis Ababa, the capital city, presents a vibrant economic hub, teeming with contemporary infrastructure intersecting with historical sites. Skyscrapers share the skyline with monuments venerating Ethiopia's storied past, a testament to a nation striving to merge tradition with economic aspiration. Streets are alive with the sight of traditional coffee ceremonies, punctuated by the aroma of freshly roasted beans, a ritual that highlights Ethiopian life from urban areas to the rural heartlands. The landscape, as varied as its cultures, stretches from the rugged Simien Mountains to the sprawling Rift Valley. These terrains not only define Ethiopia's physical geography, but craft the lifestyles of its people. In the highlands, agriculture remains the predominant trade, with communities engaging in the cultivation of teff, a grain integral to Ethiopian cuisine as the staple ingredient in injera, the traditional bread. Despite the idyllic image portrayed by Ethiopia's natural beauty and rich heritage, the country faces challenges that are equally daunting. Access to education and healthcare remains uneven, particularly in remote regions where infrastructure development is slow to reach. However, initiatives targeting poverty reduction and educational reforms are gaining momentum, attempting to align Ethiopia's economic growth with human development. Social dynamics in Ethiopia are marked by a balance of kinship and community that underscores the nation's societal structure. Festivals, music, and the arts play a central role in community life, offering moments of collective joy and cultural reflection. Yet, Ethiopia's progress is occasionally marred by ethnic tensions and political unrest, issues that the country endeavors to resolve through dialogue and consensus, edging towards unity amidst diversity. As Ethiopia stands at the crossroads of tradition and change, its narrative is one of resilience, a story of a nation continuously reinventing itself, striving towards a future where prosperity is shared and cultural heritage cherished. The people of Ethiopia, resilient and hopeful, are the protagonists in this unfolding story, writing the future with the ink of their ancestors on the sails of ambition.